This is how you can have your son help you aerate your soil. I told him just to kill the lawn. So he's aerating the soil by poking holes into it. Go find all the brown spots in the lawn, son, and poke holes like over there. You see those? Okay, poke some holes. Show everybody how you poke holes and aerate the ground. Yeah, there you go. Make a bigger hole in that brown spot. Then I come in and I water it to help go deep into the soil. Good job.
Good one.
That one too. Thank you.
I found it.
Look for more. What about this one? There's a little. That's dead grass. I pulled that out. Go find some more brown spots.
Okay. Like that one?
Like that one. There you go.
Wait, I need to. There we go.
There you go. Then I water it in. All right. See you guys.